Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can find your phone contacts on Messenger. It's super easy. If you didn't allow your contacts to access Messenger, so you have to do is turn that option in your phone settings. Go to your iPhone settings and then scroll all the way up and you will see over here apps. Click on that and then search over here Messenger, and then click on that, and then you will comes in this page. You have to do is click on second one option called contacts. So once you click on this full access, and it's going to be access to your all the contents, the Messenger. And then once you have done this, you have to go back to your Messenger and then logged into your account and search over here your friends on the top. Like you have to simply search over here your friend names. They will pop up over here in the search history. So that's it. That's how you can find your phone contacts on Messenger. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.